Hey guys, Steve here again with another incredible deal. This is in Colorado, it's in Aurora, and it's a 7-seat Model Y, and you can save $4,020. Nice number, by the way, to get this car through inventory. That means it's available today, right now. You don't have to wait. All you have to do is confirm this thing, and boom, it's yours. Go pick it up, and you'll save an additional $4,020 in addition to 12,500 in state and local credits. So really, really amazing deal. Dual motor, black, obviously. Um, as you can see, if I scroll down here, solid black, 20-inch induction wheels, all black interior, has autopilot and tow hitch. So it's pretty fully spec vehicle here. So anyway, click the link and it'll take you right to this page and you can buy it right away. Hurry before someone else does. See ya.